In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build a full song using the Lefteris Moros drum library. We'll start with a single groove, shape the arrangement, and turn it into a full track. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's make a song with Lefteris Moros drums. Let's make the drum parts and see how easy it is to create an arrangement. So first of all, we go to grooves. We have grooves from 6 different songs here. Verses, intros, choruses, breakdowns. All the stuff you need to make your next awesome epic track. Alright, so let's start with an intro. Let's go to song 1. Okay, intro here. Let's double click it and hear it. That's cool. I think it's a little bit slow. We're at 120 now. Let's make it 150 and let's see how this sounds now. Yeah, that should be cool. As you can see, the grooves are synced to your DAW tempo. So whenever you change the tempo, they will get adjusted. So you can easily try them out and see if they fit with your song. So let's drag and drop the intro here. Here we go. Okay, and what after the intro? We should have something like intro verse. Let's try verse number 4. Should be cool. We drag it in here. And let's check out the variation of this drum part as well. Should be fine. It has a break in the end. Let's see what we got so far. Well, it goes after the verse, maybe a bridge. Let's find a bridge. Bridge, 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 bridge. Let's check out bridge double. I like that. It has the bell, the ride, and it spices up the verse quite well. So we drag that in. And let's hear the break version of it. Cool. So we have the verse and the bridge, and we need the chorus. The chorus. Chorus, chorus, double 1. Yeah, sounds cool. I like this because of the cymbals, and it also spices it up with the ride. So I think it will make a good transition from the bridge. So we drag it in. And let's see how the variation with the break sounds like. That should work great. And let's hear one more time from the beginning. Goes to the bridge. Alright, really digging this. So what I'm thinking, we need some sort of a breakdown for the next part. Slow down a bit, maybe something mid-tempo. Let's see. Okay, here. Here. Song 2 breakdown. Let's hear this. Okay, I like this. Still has a double kick feeling. And the duration is cool. So it should serve as a more mellow down part. And after that, maybe we'll lead it to the final chorus. So let's find something for the ending. Okay, song number 6. Here. And chorus double kick and chorus double kick break. Alright, let's hear everything from the beginning. Pretty cool. So we have a basic arrangement down, all the drum parts, very easy to create. We have intros, we have verses, we have bridges, choruses, breakdowns. Everything is there in the package. You just drag and drop whatever sounds nice to you, and there you have a song. That's the whole process. If you want the Lefteris Moros drum library for your tracks, you can get it on the website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.